Hey, how do you feel about those rails?
They suck.
Do you have the gimbal?
Yeah.
Do you have batteries?
Yeah.
A lot of them?
Some.
Enough?
Oh, I got 4 batteries.
For your birthday, I'm gonna get you 12 more.
12 more GoPro batteries.
Do you have them?
Yeah, I got everything in the bag. I bring in the bag because we're gonna be out here all day, so.
Oh, we out here all day, dude.
Backup stuff.
I actually brought a tent.
What up, guys? We're at Keystone with Tommy. We're really hoping the rails aren't sticky today. And if they are, we're having a conversation with the park crew. Maybe we'll bring him some wax or something if we can get these rails taken care of. But today's gonna be sick. We'll be riding with my little brother at some point. And yeah, enough talking, let's have some fun.
Yeah, hey, yeah.
Ooh.
See, man.
These rails are so sticky. It's not even fun to be at Keystone right now. I'm so upset right now, guys. I don't know what else to do. Maybe like salt bay these things or something? That's for you, Jonathan. That my boy, he's got my back. Dude, I totally messed that one up, man. I'm sorry.
Sometimes I just like have so much fun that I just go blah. It's like, have you ever seen the movie Up?
Yeah.
Where you see a squirrel and just
It's my brother Ben! If you don't know Ben, you must be new to the channel, because Ben is who I started the channel with. Dude, the gold sticker, I spotted it from a mile away. How you doing?
Good, yeah.
Guys, look how fresh it looks. Alright guys, we're gonna aggressively hit every one of these features.
about those rails?
They suck. Oh, I'm sorry. I did not mean to do that. I seriously did. I was like coming in hot and I was like, I'm gonna stop. And I kicked you, dude. The worst part is Tommy's gonna teach me how to be better and I just covered him.
I'm gonna teach him how to catch an edge now. What's up, guys? So Tomie Benton here, and I'm gonna be working on a couple skill drills with Johnathan. Johnathan is an awesome snowboarder, but I feel like he could be more awesome, so we're gonna work on a few things. The first thing we're gonna work on is his stance and being as strong as possible. The first thing I'm gonna have you do is make sure your knees are out. Essentially, we want our knees to track over our toes when we squat. That's gonna be a very, very strong position. Okay, the next thing is his eyes are looking down at his board to see if he's doing it right. I want to keep your eyes up and your chest up. Go ahead and do it again. So, ideally you're absorbing the terrain with your knees and not your hips. Why you want to do that is if you absorb with your hips too much, you just lose balance. Just like that.
I do that all the time.
So, those are the basic things that we're going to work on throughout the day. Should we do something more sick though?
Yeah, let's do some more.
Like what? What should we do?
Squats the whole run.
So one of Jonathan's big goals for this season is a back 9. Obviously we don't have a crazy jump where we can back 9 right now, but there's a whole bunch of little skills that we can work on to make that back 9 doable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna break down some 360s and some 540s more on the flat ground to start building muscle memory and muscle awareness. So when he's doing it in the air, that it just comes natural, and that's what we want to keep him safe and like to get a back 9. Oh my God, you okay?
Oh, that was gnarly. Oh.
Breathe slowly.
I was just starting to feel it.
Yeah.
Now I feel.
That 1000% knocked the wind out of you.
Oh, I make noise when I hurt. That's why you wear a helmet, kids. Simple. I wasn't going fast at all. That smoked me. If I wasn't wearing a helmet, dead. I would have died, 100%. We're still gonna work on these drills. I just need a second, guys. So the worst part about that slam is my goggles got full of snow. But the best part about these goggles is I can just take Keenan's lenses. Give me those. And he can ride with the bad ones. I'll just ride with the, there we go, much better. These goggles don't pop off often. You gotta slam pretty hard for these to pop off. So yeah, that drill killed me. While we pull ourselves together, it's the best time to mention today's sticker shout out. We got Cody Genzer with the black Evolution on the yellow board. Looking so sick. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker, they're linked in the description, and then tag me on Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. And I'm starting to get so many sticker shout outs. So guys, thank you for tagging me on Instagram. Alright guys, we're live. The goggles are good to go. Just so you know, pro tip of the day, do not wipe snow from the inside of your goggle. You'll get rid of your anti-fog and then your goggles will fog like crazy. So just go inside, blow them off real quick and you're good to go. Alright, we're feeling good. My hip did take a blast, but we're still work on those drills because we want to get better. What was that? Alright guys, we're gonna do that 360 drill again. Now that I've been humbled, I'm gonna slow it down. I'm gonna pay more attention. We're gonna take this to 5 now, guys. So Tomie said they're not sticky no more. What? That's what I'm trying to learn. All right, guys, so this one's Chipmunk, and we've had a terrible day in the park, but we're gonna wipe the slate clear with this drop.
Wiping the slate clear.
This is my boy Derek. He's super sick for a 2-planker.
Wiping the slate clear.
We're gonna come out and ride one day with Derek.
Trying to schedule this up.
We're trying to get it ready. It's really hard because he's a skier, and so I just don't put him on priority.
What a day, boy.
So guys, once again, today could have been a pretty gnarly lame day. We both ate it hard, but it was such a sick day.
Thanks, dude.
No, thank you. So what you guys don't know is we actually did a ton of drills today, and some of it's boring. I didn't put too much of it in there, but I'm working on becoming a better snowboarder. It is important. I still want to make daily content, but the video's got to be at a certain level. You didn't see a lot of it, but it was sick. Tommie's sick, and he did feel bad for making me catch an edge like he said he was going to.
I'm gonna teach him how to catch an edge now. Rip.
Just so you guys know, I give Tomie every single clip that we film, and then he makes sick Instagram content. So go follow his Instagram. And also, we filmed a YouTube video for Tomie today. So go subscribe to his YouTube channel. What day does it all post?
I post every Friday at 4:30, and they're all educational stuff, how-tos and mindset stuff. It's all about how to be more awesome at snowboarding.
We all want to be more awesome. We got to keep evolving, you know what I'm saying? Lastly, if you want to become the most intense snowboard boss of all time, he has an online snowboard course. That's linked in the description as well. Check that out. Work personally with Tomie. Literally get to talk to him.
Woo!
It's kind of fun. All right, man. Sick shredding.
Sick dog.
Peace.
It's so nice to be in the car, and I can actually admit my body hurts. I had to toughen it up for Tomie, so I didn't know I was soft, you know? No, I'm joking. But my hip, woo, I'm happy tomorrow's my day off because that slam wrecked me. I hope you still liked today's video though. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, and of course, subscribe to our channel if you're new. We want to help you become the best snowboarder possible. And hopefully out of the coaching that Tomie gave you, you saw the drills I was doing, you can try them. But also the fact that you see that I'm a good snowboarder, but I'm still trying to get better at snowboarding. So like, and even Tommie's still trying to get better at snowboarding. So there's always that next level. There's always those next tricks. And so I want you guys to know that too, that people that are good at snowboarding are still trying to get better. Lastly, guys, I want to mention that we are doing a group shred on the Patreon page. If you don't know what that is, it's the only reason why I can do snowboarding full time. I have a Patreon page. It's a fan donation website. You can show up there, drop $1. You get to read my blog. I post every Monday, or you can donate $5, be a part of the live streams, all the stuff that goes on the Patreon page, or you can snowboard with me. And the first group shred is happening. It's going to be a sick time. The group shreds are always a bunch of fun, and there's enough terrain open now to where we can actually go and have a good time and not have to worry about getting slammed by somebody that's screaming down the mountain. Also, let's shout out our new Patreons. We got Sue, Riley, Donovan, and Elliot. Guys, thank you so much for jumping on the Patreon, supporting the channel. You guys are so sick. Literally, the people that buy merch, the people that do the Patreon, and obviously the people that watch the videos are the only reason why I get to do snowboarding full time, and I'm stoked that you guys are enjoying this content. All right, Team Huckhouse, thank you for shredding with me today, and as always, thanks for watching. keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes I so.
Alright guys, Jonathan's asked me to say something. I don't know what to say. Coach me. Coach, help me.